It is important to get to know the parts of the Scratch working environment, as we will refer to them in the book as we go along. When we first open Scratch, we see the cat sprite on the stage. The sprite is the actor in our story. We always get the cat first, but a sprite can be anything: a ball that bounces, or a car that races, or a pencil that draws a shape, anything at all. Below the stage is the sprite pane. Here we will see all the sprites that we have chosen for our project. We can use this set of controls to do things like make the sprites bigger or smaller, set their starting position on the stage, and decide in which direction they will face. To add another sprite, we use the sprite library. Let's add a mouse sprite. Click on the Choose a Sprite icon, type mouse in the search box, and click on the mouse sprite. We now have two sprites on the stage, a cat and a mouse. To the right of the sprite pane is the backdrop panel. Here we find the backdrop for our story. We can use different backdrops in a single story. These will appear on the stage when we tell them to. The Choose a Backdrop icon allows us to view and choose the backdrops we want to use. This central part is the script pane. A script is the collection of all the instructions given to control the action and appearance of a sprite. The script pane is currently empty. In the next video, you will see how to make a script. To the left of the script pane is the block palette. This contains all the separate instructions we can use to put a script together. These instructions, each one is called a code block, are arranged in different categories: motion, looks, sound, events, and so on. To display the code blocks in a different category, click on the category. The categories are color-coded. For example, all the code blocks in the motion category are blue, and all those in the events category are yellow. Let's quickly go over the parts of the Scratch working environment we have learned about so far: the block palette, the script pane, the sprite pane, the sprite library, backdrop, the stage, and the sprite. In the next video, we will create our first Scratch project.